who should be involved in the good receipt process? The good receipt process typically involves the following individuals. First, the purchasing staff. These are the employees who create the purchase order and coordinates the ordering of goods from your supplier. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. Second, your receiving staff. These are the employees who receive the goods from the supplier and check them for quality and quantity. Number 3, quality control staff. These are the employees who are responsible for ensuring that the goods meet the required standard. Number 4, inventory staff. These are the employees who are responsible for updating the inventory to reflect the receipt of goods. The final point is finance staff. These are the employees who are responsible for verifying the invoice from the supplier and processing the payments. Okay, so depending on the size and the complexity of your organizations, there may be other individuals involved in the good receipt process as well. It is important to have a clear and detailed process in place to ensure that all necessary individuals are involved and that the process is carried out smoothly and efficiently. That's all for my sharing in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Once again, my name is Vivienne. Have a great day and I'll see you in my next video.